So I'm about to show you how you can look at all of your Google Ads competitors, adverts, every single one of the ones that they're running at this exact moment, at any moment, and use that information to try to compete with them more intelligently and ultimately get inspiration and just get more out of your own Google Ads accounts. My name is Max Sinclair. I'm founder of Snowball Creations. I run a paid ads agency, and that's why, again, I'm always here talking about stuff like this.
I'm always here.
This one's especially awesome. It's just come out from Google. If you love this kind of stuff, please do subscribe. It always makes me very, very happy whenever I see even one extra subscriber come to my channel. And so let's get into it. So yeah, let's show you how this works. It's super, super simple, so it won't take me long. So I'll show you a couple examples. So first, I just typed in vegan skincare. You can do whatever the hell you want. Sorry, this is my dark mode kicking in.
You only knew the power of the dark side.
And so you can see there is a couple different companies doing ads. Let's go with Face Theory and Typology and Nini Organics. And then you can see this tiny little mark here. So this is the thing you need to click. So then this shows you information. It's about, the reason they've done this is actually a legal reason, that you have to be given transparency about why you're being advertised, who you're being advertised by, and yeah, what the reasons are behind that. And so you can do lots of things around this, but the bit that we care about is this button here saying see more ads. This advertiser has shown using Google. So you can click that, and it is a little buggy sometimes, but hopefully this will work for us. There you go, bang. So you can see this particular company, Agden Consulting Limited, is currently running less than 400, a ton of ads basically.
Holy crap, when do you rest?
So this is obviously loads of different variations of the same advert often, but generally speaking, this company is doing a lot of adverts. You can see they're doing some display ads, is this one here. You can see each of the different adverts, and it goes on and on and on. So there's tons to go through. So this gives you loads of information. It gives you all the different types of things that they're trying to show for, the different types of headlines they're trying to use. You can click into any of these to see more information. And so this is an amazing opportunity for both finding inspiration when you're trying to think of great headlines that might stand out or hit home, or different ways to phrase them. And it will also mean that if you're competing against someone in particular, like let's say you're another skincare brand and you really are very close to Agden, you might want to be competing against them directly in quite a direct way where it matters that you stand above them in some way. So if you know, they talk about free shipping over £25, maybe that's a business decision that you say over £23 or £20 or whatever the thing is. Or maybe in the headlines they talk about being a kind of halfway solution at some point. You could be a more complete solution, trying to one-up them in other ways and stand above it. Or also just seeming different to them, because difference and standing out is a really key factor here too. And let me just show you one more example. So this is a Good Brands. This is another skincare brand I just clicked into. They've got lots of typology adverts. Same kind of thing. You can see loads of different types of headlines they're currently running, and the descriptions and all of the rest that they're putting into here. And then let's say another type of example. So this is SaaS. So someone looking for social media scheduler. So I search this. You can see there's Loomly, there's Hootsuite, Asana, Later, all of these different major social media scheduling tools. And again, you can see this little notch. This is the white version of the Google. So you can see that little notch. You click into that. You go and click on see more adverts, see more ads by this advertiser. And there you go. We can see Hootsuite Media, all of the adverts that they're currently running. So you can see this is them using autofill basically as a customizing thing, which is a unique approach with Google Ads. And loads of other things that they're trying here. They're trying sending traffic to their blog and all sorts. So you can get loads of inspiration. Or another one I clicked on earlier was Loomly. So Loomly again, you can see all the types of approaches they're taking to their advertising, with display ads, responsive ads, everything will be here. And you can see it stops at the bottom, but often if you drag and drop, it'll show even more. Like, I'm guessing Hootsuite probably posts an absolute ton because they are loaded.
Damn right.
Yeah, it goes on for a while with them, I imagine. And this is just to be clear as well, you want to be a little careful that If you're on holiday somewhere, it might show you adverts in your country. So obviously you can just come in here and type in United States, for example, and then that's going to show any adverts that they're running in your particular country or the market that you're trying to target. And it's any time, so of course you might want to look more recently or further back, or you might want to look at video ads specifically, or all sorts of things that you can do. So have a play around.
Oh, that's cool, man.
I love this tool so much, and it's only just come out recently, and they've kept it very quiet because they know that we can make better ads, and to be honest, that means that they make less money sometimes. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. Hopefully you can see how amazingly useful that might be for your business and for running your own campaigns.
I love it.
If you have any more questions, please do feel free to reach out and ask them. Leave a comment. I look at all the comments and I will respond to every single one of them. So any question you have around Google ads or any other paid ads or startups in general and marketing, I'm here to help. And otherwise, please do subscribe, and I will see you next Wednesday.
Thank you.